Hey guys, we're doing the 2008 AP Statistics free response question, number 4. An experiment was conducted to study the effect of temperature on the reliability of an electronic device and used in an undersea communication system. The experiment was done in a laboratory where tanks of seawater were maintained in either 10 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, or 70 degrees Celsius. After an electronic device was submerged in the tanks for 5,000 hours, each device was inspected to determine if it was still working. The following table provides information on the number of devices tested at each temperature and the number of working devices at the end of a 5,000-hour test. So here's our chart. You may use the result for any single device is not influenced by the result for any other device. A. Using the information in the table, construct a scatter plot that would be useful for showing the effect of water temperature to the ability of the device to work for at least 5,000 hours. Suppose when we're doing a scatter plot or any graph, we want to label, because without labeling we don't know what we're talking about. And we're doing the proportion of working devices and the temperature. So I did 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and 1. And the rest of the temperatures. And basically how I got the proportions is just doing 29 divided by 30. You see that here for each one, 29 divided by 30, 42 divided by 50, 21 divided by 30, and 12 divided by 20. And we plot them. So for the first one, I got about 0.97, and it's in the 10 degrees Celsius. So we go 10 degrees Celsius, plot it right here, and then 30 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, and 70 degrees Celsius. B. Comment on any trend or pattern that is revealed by the scatter plot you constructed. Well, there's a strong negative linear association between the temperature and the proportion of working devices at the end of 5,000 hours, linear. And we want to say association and not causation, because causation you don't say causation in statistics. And as the temperature increases, proportion of working devices decreases. You can tell up in the chart right here. C. An estimate of proportion of devices that would work after 5,000 hours of submersion in 40 degrees Celsius seawater can be obtained by averaging the estimate at 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Compute the estimate and the association standard error. So our estimate for the proportion is about 0.7. And just what we do here is do 1/2 times the proportion, which is 42 over 50, which is 30 degrees Celsius. Yep, 30 degrees Celsius. And you added 1/2 over the 50 degree proportion, which is 21 over 30. Do the math for that and you get 0.77. And you do standard error, and what we do for the standard error, we have 1/2 squared over the 42 over 50, or 1/2 squared times 42 over 50 multiplied by 8 over 50, and how I got 8 is just 50 minus 42. 8 over 50, and then divide by 50, and you do plus 1/2 squared times 21 over 30, and again I just did the 30 minus 21 to get the 9 over 30, it's over 30. And then I just did the math right here, and you do 1/2 square root, and my answer for the 30 degrees was 0.0027 plus answer from here 0.007, and you get for your standard error answer is 0.0492.